Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions how to set your phone language back to English on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe across and look for the settings icon. Tap on it. At the top, tap on the back key. So tap on the back key until you go back to the main settings page. In here, we scroll down and look for these icons right here. It's the clock icon. So you want to look for the icon right there and then tap on it. Next, we need to count the sections. So first, second, third, and fourth section. So you go down. So first section, then second, third, and on the fourth section, go down, and then we go on the fourth item. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So tap on the fourth item. Then in here, you should see where it said English. So simply touch and hold on the English item. So touch and hold on that, and then drag it to the top. And then tap on this red button here. It is the continue button. So tap on that, and that will allow you to set the phone back to English. Now, if you do not see English in here, so let's say if we do not see English in here, that's okay. What we can do is we can tap on Add English. So you tap on the blue button right here. So that's a Add Language. So we tap on that. And then from the list here, you should scroll down. Once you scroll down, you should recognize one of the menu items. It said English. So tap on one of them. So here we got English, UK, Australia, and if you scroll down, there should be English, United States as well. So just simply select any English language that you can recognize. So here we got English, Australia, and then tap on this button here, right here at the top. So you should see where it says English. So you tap on that, and that should allow you to set your iPhone language back to English. From here, you can then choose to select a more accurate version of the English. So if you are using United English, you can tap on that. So that's it's taking a while. So just wait for a few moments for that to finish. Okay, that's finished. So we go back into here, general language and region, and in here, tap on add language, and from here you can type in English. And from the list here, you can choose which version of English that you want to use. And that's it. That is how you can set your iPhone back to the English language if you have accidentally changed the language, and now if you have lost, you don't know which order in the menu to change it back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.